Holy fuck, they killed him. Holy shit. Here's some money. Hi. Forgot it was muted. So I'm going to do some designing of some stuff. Hold on. I got to do this. Anyways, going to design some stuff and get some musica going. I'll have to have you check to see if that music volume's too loud over my voice. But basically, one of the things we got to do is go to the FrostopPlays. We need a photo. Well, I don't really want to do that on my computer. I'll do it on this screen. Hang on. I'm going to grab a photo. Are you wearing the clothes now? Okay. So anyways, just going to load up Facebook so I can grab a photo. We're going to make a... Wow, that's rough. Anyways, Bill. Gymnaz. Here's a dog. I'm searching for a photo. Hang on a second. Everybody. The maybe one person that tuned in right away. I'm having issues.
Can I see for a second? Go to albums. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Look at that little dog.
This one, something like this.
This one's better for what we're doing.
Keep going, see if there's anything else.
This is a good photo.
Minus the leaf.
Yeah.
This one's one of my favorite ones.
This one. You kind of want the whole body in there. Oh, this is a good one. Looks like a good doggo. Was he a good doggo? I don't know how well that would translate to lithophane. I feel like this would be a good one, but the dimensions are fucked up for it. We need something relatively squared up. Maybe this one. What do you think? Am I here alone?
I was walking over. Yeah, I like that one.
Alright, we're probably going to use this one. So, save image as Dakota. Desktop. It might be over there. Okay, so now that we got the photo, we'll just close Facebook. Now we're going to choose the file, from the desktop, Dakota, open. That's a good photo, Now we're going to want 3.5 by 3.5 approximately, maybe closer to 3.25. I'm just going to pretend you're not saying anything because I can't hear you.
3 by 3 by 6.
Yeah. I can't hear you. Well, I'm illiterate when it comes to, let's see, 3 inches. It's 76 millimeters. Does that sound right? $76 millimeters. So that'd probably be the height. $152. Oops. Oops. We're going to change the dimensions a little bit. We're going to go higher than we need to. Okay? We could technically go. It don't even need to be as wide as it is. But right now we're 100 millimeters by 152. So anyways, let's get rid of this. We don't want any curvature. 0. Or do we want a 90? Or 180? I think 180 is what we want. the fuck is going on here? How come this still has a curvature? What does it need to be for it to be perfectly straight? Oops. Why is there any curve to this at all? Oh. What's up? Is she really? Maximum thickness. I'm just gonna see what that looks like. So it's got a curve to it for some reason. What do I got to do to make that straight? Or do we make the box have a curve? Because this bitch will stand up. Straw. This could be trickier to do. I don't really remember how I did that, girl. That ain't bad. Pretty fucking straight. Seems thick. Let's rotate. Oh, here. It's hard to switch between the two slicers, you know that? Oh, shit. Well, fuck it. It's got this thing. That's okay. That's okay. Let's Control Z that bitch. We're gonna print it upright. Now, question is, do I print it on that one? This ain't gonna go well. It needs to go widthwise. So, not the way it is. It would have to go like this. So that it doesn't get the bed slinging, right? This way and that. And we don't need this tipping over while it's 90% done. Let's see how long this is gonna take. Oh, it needs to be 100% infill. It says 4 hours. Dude. Infill. We're gonna load white. I don't have a good feeling about this. You know what I'm gonna do? Raft. That's better. Decent. This is good. Like this, hey. This is good. Okay. How's that look? So, I'll just close that. Should I work on it now? Might as well, right? So, we'll preheat. Okay, grab some white. That may or may not be enough. This one will be enough though. Little hairspray. For those that don't know, that's for bed adhesion. It's a glass bed with no texture. I'll take that, honey smooches. In a minute, this will be heated up, but this is what we're going to put on there for the lithophane. It's about 600 grams of plain white PLA from whatever that is, Elegod. And then we got to get going on the actual design of the box. So if anybody is here and they want to know what we're doing, this is a box for a dog that is now Ashes. And then when we're done with the design of that, we're going to do another design for a friend or coworker, whatever you want to call that person. So the fascinating thing about this print here is it survived a power outage. Barely. It's got a couple layer shifts in the bottom. Power was out for a couple hours at least. So this thing's done. Just remove the filament. Black to white's not great, but that's fine because we're doing a raft, so all that shit will be purged out. Especially when you're trying to do a lithophane, you don't want contaminants, and it's like the messiest ever to go from black to white. So this is our older printer, but it's perfectly capable of doing lithophanes. Nobody can see my dorkfish. Insert filament, press button. Waiting for filament purge. How's the music level on that? Can you check? My ninja? Where's our daughter? Getting into trouble? Well, I could use a hand. I'm trying to just do multiple different things. If you could just check that. Here. Let's just continue. This is ready to do our thing. Did you get yourself into a pickle over here? Did you get into a pickle? All right. So now we'll do print via USB. No! I'm here alone. I guess we'll just shut it down and work on it tomorrow or something. I just gave her a butt kick and she laughed. I gave her like a hacky sack butt kick. You can't hear music on there. What the hell?
Also, I only have one screen apparently.
Okay. You want to check, see how it's doing now? See if it's too much or what? Breaker, one here, testing. We have excellent internet, as you can see. Probably fucking shut off the stream 8 times already. So anyways, let's just... Oh, I gotta be ready for this filament swap. First layer, I mean. Let's open Fusion. Can you check to see? Okay, so the music's way too loud, but I don't have anybody open. Let's try it like right about here and see if you can still hear the music and my voice at the same time. Pause it again because we have excellent internet. Well, I'm trying to test stuff and like I don't even know what I'm doing this for. Can you hear my voice or is it just the... So it's still too loud? Let's try that. But now it's at between songs. Whatever, I'm over it. Our dimensions are... Dude, did this bitch open twice? Sure did. Yeah, I'm gonna fucking... I'm gonna snap. It's 150 by 100 millimeters. So, come on, man! Stop. I think I'm gonna shut down the stream. I'm getting fucking pissed.
Stop it.
Come here. Well, then be quiet. Let's see. 150 millimeters to inches is fucking about 6 inches. So we're gonna go 6. What about 100? 6 by 4 is what we'll do to start with. Let's go 4 1/4 because why not, right? Approximately. Finished sketch.
Just 1 second, please.
Let's just go press pull 5 inches deep. Okay, now we have a box. Which side's the 6 inch? She's hanging off that box, or that thing. So when we do this, did that print ever start? It's not communicating. Either that or it's not preheating. Wow, that's pretty cool, you know? I really hate Cura. Just so you guys know, Cura's shit. I think that print up there just finished. Look at now Cura wants to work now that it's getting closed down.
Stay away from there.
pretty sure that one up there just finished. What's going to happen is I'm going to end up starting this job on it, but maybe not. Why isn't it working? Like, let's go. Look at Kira just crashed. What a piece of shit software. Like, absolutely shit. The ease of it with like all the slicing is pretty good. It doesn't have like maximum adjustments like a lot of the other softwares, but it's definitely super easy. But overall, it runs like total fucking dog shit. Okay. This isn't a computer issue, I promise you. This is the only program I have issues with on my computer. Seems like every time I use it, there's some kind of horse shit going on with it. I'm tempted to work on the thing for your boss for... No. You want to pass me that other camera? Since we're not printing anything right now, and maybe unhook it from that stuff. Oh, you fucking piece of garbage, bro. Like, let's go. What a piece of shit. I kind of want to use the other printer for prototypes and stuff and not worry about, because it's way faster. I don't think that Bamboo Lab supports the Ender, or I would be using it. It's really not going to work. If it don't work right here, I'm just going to shut down the stream and go to bed, honestly. I'm not dealing with this shit. It's not working. This shit's genuinely extremely disappointing. You know what really fucking sucks about it is you can't use... Let's ask. Can you slice or Ender 3 in Bamboo Studio. Get the fuck out of town, bro. That would be dope. Let's see it. Prove it. Ender 3 V2, Ender 3 S1. I'm not seeing the Ender 3. So oh, V2. Fuck. All right. One more time. Let's start with monitor. It's not connected. There we go. It's homing. It says it's preheated, and it is preheated. Slice. I gotta rotate and then slice again. Just work. Oh shit, it is gonna work. Get the heck out of town. Tune. Baby step the Z down 0.2 because that's where it is after my shitty leveling job. Looks like that was a little low. Let's go back 0.1. That'll be good. All right, lithophane started. Let's just set that over there and go back to this box. So let's discuss this real quick. 6 inches. So this would be the front. It's correctly oriented. So are you too busy to talk about this box? Probably, right?
What?
You're too busy to talk about this box, right?
No, I can talk about it. I didn't know you were talking to me. You've been over there talking to us fucking stream, so I didn't know you were talking to me.
So one of the ideas I had was to put a chamber in the front for the lithophane. Is that idea out?
A chamber in the front, like
I can show you.
one of the
Like
gonna
this.
slide in.
Yeah, it's gonna slide in. I'm talking about a chamber for the. It's gonna need light, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Stop touching it.
So one of the things I was talking about doing. What the hell's the deal here?
No. No bite.
What the fuck is the deal here? There. So there'd be the main chamber, right? Like this. For the dog. Press, pull. That's too much. So there. Dog goes in there. And then another separate chamber for the light. Oh, I hit the fucking... DPI is all screwed up now. There. So then I was thinking about doing this for the light. You know, smell what I'm stepping in, or is this too stupid?
A light. But you don't. Where are you putting the picture?
It's not on here yet. I'm talking about the light and the dog. Dog, light, or no?
Where's the picture going? Is my question.
It's not on there yet.
My guy.
It would go right here, where the picture would go. I'm not talking about it either.
Why was it so hard for you to just fucking answer the question of where
Because
the picture was
I was
going?
just saying it's not there yet. I haven't
Couldn't
designed
you just
anything
tell
for
me
it.
where it was going? That way I knew, like, in proportion to where the light would be. Does that make sense?
Where is the light going? That's what I want to know. You want it in with the dog?
Yeah.
You want to set a light in with the dog, right?
Otherwise, how is the light gonna fit in there? You don't fucking stop. How is the light gonna fit in there?
I don't know. Where's the light look like?
It's gonna be just a little light.
That's when I hate fucking talking about design and stuff for people when nobody knows what the fuck they actually want or where it is or anything. She smells like poop. multiple lights. That might actually be okay. It might look kind of mystical. You know what I mean?
If you have that slot, it makes sense for you. Because
I just got rid of the slot, but it can come back. You could stick it to the back side of that slot.
or you can just shove them in there.
Oh, yeah.
Like if you know like wine bottles and light bulbs, like what?
That's a good idea.
Buy them.
Yeah, I think so. That's actually pretty fucking good. We'll press pull. See, I like it when we actually get somewhere instead of me staring at you for a minute and a half and you not saying anything because you're like slicing boxes on Fortnite.
First of all, I had headphones on. I couldn't hear you. It's the same thing as me sitting over there talking to you. I couldn't fucking hear you. So don't get fucking bitchy with me.
I was mad
I don't
because
give a fuck.
you know what I was
It's
doing?
like this. If you want to talk to me, I will stop my game. It's not that fucking important. Lauren's not even on. I will fucking stop my game for you. Don't sit there and bitch at me and be like, I'm fucking quitting. I'm not doing this fucking shit. Don't
Well,
do
I'm
that.
trying to keep her out of sharp objects, start a print, and fucking design something while you're like not doing anything or answering any questions. Like, this is your shit.
No, it's not. My dad asked you to design it, not me.
No, he didn't because you knew about it first. But that's beside the point. This could be a half-inch thick. How thick is that? Is there dimensions there for me? Now you got somebody to worry about. We'll just see how big the battery pack is. Tell her to give us 5 minutes.
Can you give me like a couple minutes? Hello? Can you hear me? Hello? My headset's not working.
There's no... Is there a dimension somewhere?
Maybe down here.
It looks small, whatever it is.
I'm here! But you can't hear me!
Package dimensions.
Can you hear me? Okay. Just give me like...
Here.
I did it.
It looks like...
That's
Oh,
a
that's a
package.
package dimension again.
We're trying to figure something out real quick.
CR2032 batteries, which isn't a good thing.
Okay. Just let me know when you can.
You know what that is?
What?
You know what a 20... It's the circle ones, yeah. And it says it only stays lit for 72 hours or whatever. We fucked up.
What?
We fucked up, I said.
How?
This ain't good.
Why is it not good?
72 hours for two 2032 batteries. You know how much those batteries cost? So you're paying like $5 for 3 days?
You're gonna have it on all the time. He's got a whole pack of them in the garage. So I think he'll be okay with it.
Alright. Well, we still need to figure out what the dimension of that. Can you send this to me or something so I can pull it up and look?
Yeah, I would visualize. Right, having directors interested in me and people that I respected saying, I like your work or whatever that is, and I would visualize things coming to me that I wanted or whatever. Drive home and think, well, I do have these things. They're out there. I just don't have a hold of them yet, but they're out there. Wrote myself a check for $10 million.
For fuck's sake.
I don't have Facebook.
You don't have Messenger anymore either?
5 years or 3 years maybe, and I dated it Thanksgiving 1995.
Somebody followed me, so thanks. I appreciate it. I don't know why you followed me. We're not having a good time right now. Looks dangerous. Whatever you sent me looks dangerous. Okay, here it is. Let me pull it up here. So we're looking for a dimension so I can make this pocket and this box the right size.
Either way, if it's
I need to be able to fit the battery in there, that's all.
If it's thin.
Did you just fart?
No, I leaned forward in the chair. If it's thin, it'll fit.
Yeah, I just need to know how thin, because
I highly doubt it's gonna be like more than an inch.
you doubt or it's not going to be. It's two separate things. I don't want to print it twice. It shouldn't be thick. That's what you would think, right? Where is it though? I don't even see it. The only place I see it is right there. I'm gonna go with a 0.6. Okay? 0.6 inches. Because I still need room to slide the fucking lithophane down in there.
And my dad is, yeah, my dad absolutely.
It's more than just printing something. My ninja. Okay. So now we need to get this. Let's go to file. I need to open.
You win.
Where is he? Dakota. Here, this. Please tell me it'll open. It is gonna open, dude. Do you see?
Mm-hmm.
Now I need this over on here. Is it gonna work or not? How do I get that over here? So I was trying to do it. Repeat copy. How did I do that in the past? I don't remember. Look at this. No? Okay. So anyways, I kind of want to shrink this so I can actually see alerts. Five minutes ago. You know, honestly, I could make this the whole left screen. So anyways, how do I get this? How come? What about if I move this over here? Or just start over?
Can you cut and paste the opposite direction?
This is the top. This is upside down.
What are you using?
This still needs to. How am I going to orient this? So top and back.
Someone sent me flying.
front. There we go. Now we're proper. So from the top, we'll create a sketch on this plane. Let's just wing it. It's gonna be yay big. All right. Press pull. It's gonna be approximately that tall. All right. It ain't gonna let me fucking grab the dog. Give it here. It's not two separate fucking entities? Is this real life? There. I was about to get mad, believe it or not. Oops. So we need to grab this thing. Ooh, I just fucked that up. Control Z.
With no shield. Like you're fucking crying.
Okay.
I have highly enjoyed this way more now. You good there, bro? Just down on you.
So do we have dog spelling and shit? Because that's gonna go on the outside of the box when I'm done here.
No fucking way. I hit him for 119 on that last shot. Sorry.
Do we have dog spelling or not? You asked me to tap on you when you're not paying
Not that
attention.
fucking hard. Dakota Ariel. Didn't he have it on his Facebook?
Fucker. Start swinging, bitch. What's the little one doing? Can you see her?
Just playing with her door. Peanut! 1 second, Lauren.
And how does that look? Is it gonna fail? That was priceless. I've done that before. Where the fuck was she? And you know where she was? Inside the toy box. Did it terrify you? Shit. That kid is a fucking menace. It felt good to watch. Not gonna lie.
You know what Lauren just said?
What?
She's got both of y'all as parents, so no wonder.
I am gonna probably simplify this, lady. There's no problem with using adhesives, right? Or are we making it slide?
I wanted it to slide in there.
We can make it slide. I don't need to be a bitch about this.
Oh.
Let's just go. She just threw this at me. Can you please take care of this? I'm like in the.
I just loaded into a game. I will take care of it.
She thinks I'm her snack bitch.
Because you are.
Ah!
Ah!
Huh?
Oh, I found a llama.
Because you are.
Ugh.
I just figured this out while we were shit talking. You know that? Biznatch,
Did you shit your pants?
did I shit my pants?
Yeah.
No. God. Did you shit your pants?
I don't have a gun. I'm getting shot at.
Who asked you?
Because it fucking stinks, bro. Hey, Lauren.
It does stink. It's probably your daughter again. I need to figure out how thick this is.
Where are you? Are you dead? I just got a shitty ass shotgun.
1.097.
I just got a shitty ass shotgun, bro.
Let's just make it so straight up from here. We'll make exactly the size that we need. Well, a little bit bigger. 1.01. Maybe even bigger. So slightly larger. God, that stinks.
You just stepped right in front of me and I tried to shoot him. You're good. Fucking kidding me.
1 point. I need to see that number, but there we go. 1.0. That's probably good. It needs to be just a fraction bigger without snapping to that. 0. I sure hope I got that right. She just bumped the table while I was doing that. So this will press pull down. To fit the whole doggo. And then plus a little bit more. So in theory, that should fit.
I'm low-key enjoying the war fast.
Let's go a little wider because why not, right? Let's go 0.1 on both sides. Negative 0.1. That was 0. Why is there a 0 in there? Just go minus 0.1. Thank you.
Right under me.
Okay, so let's move this the fuck out of here for a minute.
Don't be scared. Get your butt in here. Get in here.
Now we'll go to the front.
In where?
And we're gonna draw just a little square on this plane, and this will be what we actually see.
Oh my.
I think we're gonna go all the way to the top of that.
Are you back yet? Okay. Next time, try and let me know that you're back, please.
Okay.
It's funny because normally
This
you're
ain't
the
an
one
exact
that's like, I'm
science.
bad at it,
Aight.
and I'm like,
But we'll finish sketch and then we'll cut right through in there. Now, we have ourselves a little channel for the doggo to sit in.
right
But
here.
you know what I should have did? Let's change that. Fuck, is that sketch still there? Is that this one?
Where?
I want that sketch. That's not that one.
What is it?
This one?
Oh, nice. Here, let's get this.
I want to keep pushing because the lights are going to be right behind it. Shit. Well,
Yeah. Oh, he's up here. There's some right here. What is this?
nice. Here it is. Press pull. Now we'll go all the way through. Like so. Ah, yeah. That's perfect.
Oh, shit. Okay, I
Now
gotta make
this
mac and cheese for peanut real quick.
this will slide right in here now, babe. Look what I have done.
Nice.
The lights will go behind it. Now we need a hinge top. Correct?
Everything's down here, right?
No. Maybe. Maybe. So we need a hinged top. You know, one of the easiest ways I know of to make a hinge is to go like this. And are these walls too thin? We don't need to be so stingy on this one. We don't need to be that fucking wasteful either. Hold on a second. There. That's probably good, like that. Let's give this one a little bit more integrity as well. Because this one is about to inherit a hinge. So on this surface, oh, here. Diameter of like, I don't know, 3/8 of an inch, 0.375 or something. Well, that's diameter. Let's just go 0.4. Is that too small? That'd be all right. Don't touch that. Don't complain about it either. Seems awfully fucking small. Is this for real? Hey, cut it out, man. Sit down. Why does that seem so damn small? .4 inch. So this is huge? What the hell is going on here? What the hell happened? 2 inches? This scale is fucked up. because I designed around that STL. It just made assumptions about this STL size. I was supposed to scale this. Before I designed around it. Shit. You know that? Let's Control Z that right off there. Control Z, thank you. So I think what we could do to fix this, I'm gonna for one move this so that I can drink water. Okay. Guess what happened while you were gone? That's her dookie that we talked about already, remember? I already changed one dookie and I think she might have dookied again. Anyways, babe, I have a problem. One of the things you're supposed to do when you import an STL is scale it to the proper size before you design around it. And I didn't do that. So basically this right here, this dimension to right here is 2 inches. So basically, I need to figure out what size this is and scale it down to what it's actually supposed to be. But simple math can figure that out. So what we do is we inspect.
Dear Lord.
She pooped again. To there. That is... I don't know. Check right there to your left. They got thrown there probably. So what's this dimension? 59.138 inches. I'm not even gonna do the math. I'm gonna ask Google. 59 point what? 138. I know they are. They're free though, or they're bought like a long time ago. What percent of caps lock? What is the actual dimension of that? That's the real question. I think the only place I can find that out is here with 150 millimeters. .905 inches. Right? 5.905. So how the fuck do I figure that out? It's not working.
Yeah, that's some shit I would say to you. Fuck off! It's still hot. I even put ice cream in it. Does that mean put one and then by the time I'm done,
How do I figure out percentages? Like 59.138. Divide the fraction. Oh yeah. So in theory, I should be able to. I haven't used this shit in a long time. So 59.138
Don't forget to take out the
divided
trash
by.
cans.
Can you shush?
Tina, it's too hot right now, honey.
It's 10.014%. Is that accurate? I sure hope it is, because it's about to get scaled down. So let's try it. Scale. Minus 10 0.0149. How come it won't let me? You know what? I could just scale it down in the slicer. It sucks. Are you fucking kidding me?
I had one of these last game, but I didn't know what it was.
It's not symmetrical. You see this?
Can you pick it back up?
It's not symmetrical.
I'm not carrying those. I'm carrying these. Two.
This ain't symmetrical.
Why not? Because it's not a
Cause
circle?
what?
Because it's not a circle?
Yeah, because it's not a circle. No, because I didn't have this centered when I started drawing that. I wonder if I should just start over.
I mean, you're pretty fucking good at it, so I don't think starting over is gonna take you very long to start over.
Well, the problem is I gotta scale this, but it won't let me. It needs to be
Oh shit.
minus at least 10%.
I have no tax sprint.
Why won't it let me?
The fucking white sprint bar.
Let's Google it. You don't need to be touching that, honey. Here, take Mr. Blue Troll. Alright?
I'm gonna go get into fights. No one fucking hate Tilted Tower. Tilted is the one that everyone fucking hates.
Oh, what the fuck is this?
She loves cheese.
No shit. Thank you, guys. Fuck yeah. Cancel. So this needs to be converted from a mesh body to a solid body. How do I do that? I don't really get that far. I've had that issue before. Convert, because that's what the fuck? Shit.
Where is everyone?
What are you doing, honey? You getting into trouble? Look at how thin that is. It's thinner than usual, as well. The other option is I could just eyeball this and scale it down with the slicer. Because I can't figure out how to create this to a solid material. Scale. Scale mesh. It'll let me go up, but not down. There it goes. -10. Cock. Oh, a decimal, bro. Fucking decimals exist. Did you know that? What is that as a decimal? $10.01. Sorry, some of this shit that I'm figuring out as I go. Scale. 10. That's not it. Point. Let's go down. 1001. $10.0149. So let's try that. And now we'll measure it and see it. Inspect. So 601, bro. That's pretty fucking close. Do you know that? Math. What is it supposed to be?
Make them fucking go right over here.
The width is 150. 150. It's 5'9".
Holy shit, bro. Someone fucking got my ass. Fucking stop.
I need to scale it up some. So 601 divided by 509.
Right here. Hit him for 110.
Let's just call it 6 divided by
Fucking shit, bro.
5.9.
No. I'm okay.
6 divided by
Pushing buttons on my
5.90551. So I need to scale up. It's 1 point, what is it? 1.6%? Too large? Let's try. This shit's kind of, I'm not an expert at math or design, just so everybody fucking knows. Scale, mesh. So the scale factor is, where the fuck did my math go? Point, what is that? 1.6%? I don't really fucking know, dude. Let's try this differently. Clear 5.905
Here, you want to finish eating?
divided by 6. There, 9.8. That's what we're looking for, bro. 9.841. That's enough. Now we'll measure it again. What do we got? 5.906? Are we fucking in there? We're in there. God, math is bitching sometimes. Fuck yeah. That felt good. So we still have a problem though. This shit right here.
You're a bitch.
What? Huh? Huh? The fuck did you say? I got an idea. Biznatch. Oh shit, it's moving on that big ass scale. Oh fuck, that sucks.
Quit moving, I'm so far away. Come here.
So we'll grab all of this shit. This sucks. Control. That's always her fucking problem. Always.
Said, Daddy, I'm about to be all mad and here, here, bite.
So, should be able to just
Peekaboo.
move. That's better, right? It's not ideal. That's still fucked up. Control Z. The fuck? Well, I lost it. I don't know where my fucking drawing is. Shit. I lost it. It's gone. Well, look it. It's fucking gone, bro. How do I find it? I don't even know what scale I'm on. Nothing.
It's all fine. You ate it all. You ate all the mac and cheese. Where'd you go?
I'm pretty upset. Where the fuck is it? Do you see it?
Is it on the untitled page?
Baby, it's too small. It's somewhere in here.
Get down.
Oh, I found it. Holy shit. Let's make sure it's still the right size. Because I control Z'd, like you said. It's still the good size. It's not! Fuck!
Redo. Isn't there
Motherfucker. Listen to Cassandra, they said. I should never listen to you. Fuck, dude, it was perfect. Damn it.
Get down.
Look it. Now it's 59 inches.
Stop acting like it's my fault. It's not.
I hit Control Z. Now I have too big of a fucking print.
Was it too big before? No.
What do you mean, was it? Yeah, exactly my fucking point.
Control Z is undo.
Yeah. Undo the fucking scaling that I did.
You can't be on the desk.
Shit, bro. You know, the only reason it came back is because I sized it up to something I could see. That's what happened. So Control Z technically worked, but now I undid the scaling. 59.136. That sucks, bro. That really sucks. .1014. We'll scale it. Oops. I should fucking move this whole thing while it's easy to move. I'm gonna fix this drawing before I move it. So basically I'll select this. I'm gonna select this face. So you gotta control, all of that. Shift to turn, middle mouse click. Now we're gonna control. And we're gonna move this whole bitch. Press pull. Friggin' that way. Oh, that didn't work. Shit. So let's just move this physically. Why the fuck didn't I have this centered before I started dinking around? Lady. Huh? Now we'll move that to fit. Well, how far? Let's just measure. Like from right here. And we can move it all. .259 inches. What happens if I press pull that? Seems to be okay. 1.295. Is that what I said? .295. Okay. Now we'll see it how it looks. Looks okay. See if it fits. Bitch. Kind of looks like it don't fit. What's with the huge fucking movements, bro? Let's go 0.4. Okay. Grandma or grandpa? Babe,
Grandpa.
it looks like it fits. Don't it? It should. Wonder if I went deep enough. Let's change the. Let's do this whole thing. This whole thing, and it's not separate. Well, we can change. Opacity. Let's do 30%. That's not actually what I want. I want just this side. 16 inches. How come it won't let me change? Well, for fuck's sake. Let's make sure this bitch will go down. I don't know how to change the opacity of this fucking thing. Fuck. You know what? Let's just work on the fucking hinges. I've had enough. I'm not super happy with that. Okay? You hear me, lady? I don't think this is what we want. I think we want to actually. Let's make a lid first and then make the hinge. Sound good? Know what I'm saying, lady?
Yeah.
Do I do a hinge on this bitch, or do we do a grooved set-in deal?
Either one. I think honestly, hinge might be easier with opening and closing it on.
Okay, so the right side will get some kind. Where the fuck did it go? Okay. .6. Dude, I've done this before, but it was a real son of a whore, and I don't remember what I had to do. I remember, like, I was looking up hinges on McMaster car, and it was harder to fucking get the hinge to integrate into my shit than it was to make the hinge. I actually have the example over there. Let me go grab it so I can look at it. So, like I was saying, I'm no fucking expert, but I've done it before, alright? It looks like I did it pretty fucking good, too. Look at that. Look at this.
Alright.
That's pretty good, pretty badass, but it's kind of tricky.
To knock down all the pins at once. Now that would be cool.
Fucking hot glue stuck to this thing. Anyways, this is what I'm trying to do. I can do it. Did she eat all that?
Yeah.
Smashed it. You just got to think about what is attached to what. Because this up here is a new component. Let's Control Z that. This is a separate component. So, in theory, I should be able to select just that and move it. And you can't. So with that sketch, you should be able to pretty much extend it the whole length and hit join and then separate separately, if that makes any sense. So select,
Peyton, don't.
for shits and giggles, we'll do that one. Press, pull, and join. Is the baby still alive? So now that it's joined, I should be able to go again. First of all,
Miss Rachel, what do you think it is? What? It's no one. Still just getting shot at. You can play with it if you want.
now we're talking, bitch.
Okay.
So let's see if I can figure this out or if I'm totally fucking stupid. Pulling out all the stops for your dad today. You know that shit, that's kind of tricky for me. Okay?
I'll send it to you on Facebook.
How the fuck did I do that, lady?
Down, please. What?
Basically, I did this. And then I had to change the size. So Control Z this shit out of here. Cancel, Control Z. I made a mistake. This can only be attached to one side. And then a different circle attaches to the lid. Dude, this shit's so itchy. It's like eczema or some shit. That fucking lithophane's gonna be done before I figure out how I'm doing this. You know that? I gotta get this done though. Okay. So basically, what I should do is actually, let's Control Z this fucking bitch right off there. And we're gonna move this lid up a fraction. Is it really not gonna move? Why ain't it moving? The fuck is happening? Are they joined? Move. Move. It won't let me move this, and I don't really know why. There. It let me move it that time. There. There's just a slight gap, which will be helpful. Is what gonna overlap? I'm gonna hinge it. I just am figuring it out. It's not. Can you do it? Cause I'm struggling.
I don't remember what you did, but I think if that's the case, just make one that fits over the top.
That opens a new set of shit that I don't remember. I have to somehow. If I do it the other way, I like the idea of the hinge, and I like the challenge, so it's okay. But if I wanted to do it the other way, I'll have to do some other tricks. Like I'll have to change the opacity of this, and I've already tried to do that. Let's just do it this way. Let's put the fucking hinge on this bitch. It's just tricky, that's all. So I'm thinking to start with, man, is this ever fucking tricky? I think I need 2 circles. How the fuck did I end up over here? Where's the circle? Why is it?
Get
It
down!
won't show me. Fuck it. I got it. I got it. We press pull this bitch all the way across. Oh shit, lady. This fucking thing isn't in the right spot. have that.
Sit down.
Please move. It's not gonna let me. Oh, you fuck. This lid moved. You see it? The lid can't. Thank you. Okay, now we're talking. That'll work. Okay, now we press pull this bitch with a join, I think. Distance both sides. We join. Let's do a new body. No. No. Join. We're gonna join it. And then this. I'm trying to figure something out. Okay. Can I just figure this out? The harassment. I think the first move is a cut. Are you fucking slaughtering people? All you can do is experiment. The fuck? Now it's not letting me. Cut isn't an option anymore. I'm getting really frustrated with things changing. Look at this fucking print. It's all jacked up. Guess what? It's too thin. I need to stop listening. That's what I need to do.
Listening to what?
Oh, advice? Yeah. It's not fine. It's too thin. Which means my whole fucking shit's all screwed up here. I might just quit. I can't deal with all these problems. I can. I just don't really feel like wrestling her, dealing with the fucked up print, redesigning my whole thing, still trying to figure out the... This is fucking hard stuff. Are you fucking kidding me? Speedy fingers. That print is fucked up. No doubt about that. You see that warp in it? It's too thin. This whole thing is fucked up. What the hell is that? I like shelled it. Well,
Whoa!
this is too fucked up to. Tell me why it looks normal right here, but then it's
Whoa.
like a fraction of that.
I'm just trying to keep her happy, okay?
Well, on this episode of Everything's Fucked Up, I think I'm going to call it.
No, you're not.
This Minecraft map is painted half.
Whoa! What makes it so cute?
This Minecraft map is painted half.
Wow! Where'd it go?
I'm going to take a break. No doubt about that. Because this is going to be a problem. This fucking warp. Which means that this dimension's going to be a problem. Which means this dimension in here is going to be a problem. And I still don't have this figured out. I'd really like to have it figured out. I'll start with a cut. Can't go wrong with a cut. The fuck is that? What is that still doing there? Get out of here. Okay.
What are you doing? Down by the bay, where the watermelons grow. You bite me, I'm gonna knock you out. No.
Ah, she says.
Yo! Daddy battery's still on.
It's kind of amazing that she was able to bump into that. So, I need another sketch here.
Do you see a llama eating their pajamas? Where the watermelons grow. Back to my home. Until I go. Oh, if I do. My mother would say. Did you ever have a time when you couldn't make a rhyme? Down by the bay? Yay! She fell asleep eating earlier, right? And she had milk dribbling down her cheek. I was like, I haven't seen that in a long time.
So, I could do this, and then... Then what? Just one of these sections could just cut it. Is it gonna let me? Of course the fuck not. Because it's got to be disconnected from one of them.
Disconnect. Disconnect.
Disconnected. Connected. Disconnected. Connected. Disconnected. My fucking... These sons of bitches. These. Disconnected. Connected. Fine, I won't use them. Really struggling with this. You know what? I don't really... I need a little break. I need a break. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm taking a break. Besides that, I think that Lithophane's fucked up. So, thanks for watching. Appreciate ya. I'll be back. Maybe I'll finish it live. Maybe I won't. But I'm getting my ass kicked right now. So.